Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Riz. Thank you for watching. Thank you for getting my course. Okay, so if you've been here, thank you for keeping on this journey of affiliate marketing and how to really bring your passion to life. What I want to talk about in this video is mindset. Okay, the kind of mindset that you have to have with this business, and just like with any other business. Okay, few things you have to look out for is one, make sure you have a budget. Okay, make sure you have a budget to start off with affiliate marketing. Make sure you have some sort of capital. It can be even $50, $100, $200, whatever you can afford. Please have it set aside just for your business. Okay, um, don't go into the mindset that you'll make your money in 30 days or you'll use a 30-day free trial, things like that. Don't go with that mindset, because what happens is if you're not consistent enough with your daily actions and you're not consistent enough with your results, you're going to exceed that 30 days. Hence then you're going to like basically have an automatic subscription that comes out on your credit card or debit card every single month. And let me tell you, these things can add up. I faced a tune of $50,000. Okay, it's really shitty. It hurt a lot, but it's something I did, and it's not something I'm proud of. But it's because I, kept having that old mindset of like, um, of that ah, that mindset of, oh, I'll just pay it off in 30 days or something, or I'll make something by then. No, that didn't happen, right? So don't get into that mindset that you'll make it in 30 days or just use a 30-day free trial. Okay, if you're gonna use a free trial, use it to what it's worth, and then just make sure there's nothing on file. Okay, and this is if you're just starting out. If you already have an established business like this, and you can afford it, right? People say, "Oh, I love posting money to ads and everything and this that." All the power to you, okay? But there's some that don't have that cash flows yet. You probably did when you started out, so don't knock other people, okay? Secondly, though, if you are spending a lot of money on ads, let me know. I'm in touch with a really great entrepreneur, and I found that there's other ways of generating leads without burning money on ads, through sponsorships and such. Reach out to me. I'll send you a link, and I can get you set up. It's not even a link. It's like a whole. You'll actually meet the person. Whether it's on a call or in person is up to you. Um, but he really knows his stuff and has a lot more organic strategies than Facebook and stuff. So yeah, that's not needed. Another thing I want to go over is your daily actions. Okay, daily actions. I know it's hard to get up, guys, and it's hard to get up and work on this business. You got, kids running around. You got your boss breathing down your neck. Like, get this done, get this project done, right? The bitches yelling at you and stuff and everything, right? Not that one, but your boss or anything, right? He's yelling at you. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you not? Why did you have 30 minutes of rest? That kind of thing. Listen, guys, you gotta stop answering to people. Okay, do shit, get in, get out. Don't go with the mindset that you have to stay there. You have to be the first one there, the last one to leave. Blah blah. Get over that already. Okay, that that mentality is long gone, and it's not even gonna do anything for you, because at the end of the day, your boss doesn't give a shit about you. Okay, he really just doesn't give a shit about you. He's going to replace you at the drop of a hat. As soon as you mess up in one thing, he's gonna find a replacement. So get it through your head that your job is not gonna save you. Use your job as a means to pay for your bills, your education, whatever you're working on, whatever you're doing, okay? But don't expect it to be the end all be all, right? Don't expect to climb that corporate ladder, because even climbing that corporate ladder can take years. I'm talking years. I've seen people do it in 10 years, 15 years. I've seen people do it in 5 years, right? But I mean, you know, you gotta have that. You gotta get out of that mentality that your job is the end all be all, and that you have to keep answering to someone else. You don't have to keep answering to someone else. The only one you have to answer to is you. Did you exceed in your daily actions today? Did you go back to your bad habits today? Did you overcome your challenges or any battles you were facing today, whether it be in your mind or your business? Did you overcome you, right? Did you battle you and did you overcome it? You got to go in with that mindset, okay? Last night, take me for example. I get really busy. I'm not gonna lie, I get busy. I don't work on this every day, like I should, and I'm probably gonna start. Right? It's October 6th, 2023, 6:19 a.m. But I'm definitely gonna start working on this business every day. What does that mean? Going to bed a little bit earlier. What does that mean? Waking up earlier, right? 6:19. I woke up at 5:45 today. I just couldn't fall asleep. So I decided what I decided to do: start working on my business. It took me a little bit to get into it, and that's fine. Some people can jump right in, some people don't, right? You do you, right? But I started working on my business. I started working on recording this video, going back to what I wanted to do, and I was like, man, I love it. I love this invigorated feeling, right? So set aside a time every day that you're gonna work on your business or you're gonna work on something. And this could be morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever works for you. Personally, for me, 5 to 7 a.m. works because I'm up before my kids, I'm up before my wife, I'm up before the whole house. Okay, I'm able to get a workout in, I'm able to get a record a video, work on some stuff for an hour or two. It's uninterrupted time. I haven't done anything like I haven't gotten the days scattered in my brain, right? It's not just sitting there. So get up early, push after it, get after it, right? If working at nighttime works for you, great, amazing. For me, it doesn't because, nighttime, to be honest, I want to let loose. I want to relax a little. I want to hit the gym again, maybe, right? Maybe have a beverage or something, right? Or, you just want to relax at the end of the day, and that's totally fine. Like, relax. It's acceptable, right? So find your work time that works for you, whether it be morning, afternoon, or evening. And highly recommend the morning time because the house is quiet, nobody's there, and if you're worried you're gonna disturb one of the kids, like I'm probably about to do, because sometimes he always wakes up or anything, like he just knows I'm awake or something, or the glare from the light, I'll go downstairs to my basement and I'll work in there. Okay, just to keep the light down. Okay. Alright. Lastly, what's the last thing? Back to this mindset about spending though. If you have any automatic subscriptions, cancel them. 100% cancel them. You will save yourself a crap ton of money and headache down the road. Cancel them. You don't need them. You don't need ClickFunnels. You don't need $100, $200 things. There's some stories where I hear people saying, oh, I just, signed up for the free trial of ClickFunnels and I started making money right away because people bought my link. People can click my link. I built a brand and this, that. Yeah, well, you know what? How much time did you have to do that? How much money did you already have to invest? Some of this, that person may have honestly had $3,000 just sitting there, right? But do you have that $3,000? No, probably got less than $500, less than $100, right? If you watch this video, you got less than $100, and that's okay, right? But that's why you don't need all those big fancy things. You don't need the full ClickFunnels superhero trial. You don't need 50 autoresponders or 5 different autoresponders that cost $100 a month. You don't need that. You can get away with less than $50 a month stuff, or even less than $20 a month, or even for free, right? But you got to get away from that mindset that you need this and that, right? Or even all these JVZoo and Warrior Plus pages. Unsubscribe from half of them. Half of them are BS. Okay, a lot of them are BS. The software will die about in a year's time or even 6 months time, and you'll still be stuck with nothing, right? You'll be stuck with the tail between your legs. Because why? Because these people, they don't give a shit about you. They just care about filling their pockets with money. Okay, they're not gonna stick around for year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. They're gonna build something. They're gonna push it out. They're gonna make a crap ton of money, and then that thing's gonna expire after a year, and then you're gonna get the exact same thing. It'll be upgrade, right? And you're gonna get at a cheaper discount. Motherfucker, you already paid $100 for that first software. Why can't I do everything for the rest of my life? No. So stay away from those, okay? There are some people that you do want to trust, right? And I definitely think that that there are genuine people out there, but those are a dime a dozen, right? So you gotta think for every say 10 charlatans, there's probably two gurus that are really out there to really help you out. So look at who you follow, unsubscribe from a lot of Warrior Plus stuff, and it'll save you lots of money. Yeah. Anyways, I'm glad you liked this video. I really hope it reached out to you. Really hope it'll help you on your journey. Come back to watch this video every so often just to get a reminder. You know, when you find that you're losing your balance or you're losing your hope or something, or you just want to give up, just go ahead, watch this video again and again, and just let it sink in, right? Let it sink in that I gotta get up early. I gotta not spend money. I gotta subscribe from a lot of emails. I gotta do the things that stop. I gotta get over the things that are stopping me from succeeding, right? And I guarantee, actually, I'm not even gonna guarantee, but if you put this stuff to fruition, you will succeed. Whether it's 1%, whether it's 5%, whether it's 2%, but you will succeed. And at least as long as you succeed 1% every single day, or even grow yourself 1% every single day, you will succeed in life. Alright, with that being said, my name is Rizwan Siani. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. And I can't wait to see you on the side of success. Take care. Bye.